Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LayerAI token. Ticker symbol is LAI. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed today, April 27th at 8 a.m. UTC time, which is long past already. This token will be listed on BYBIT. So that is one place you'll be able to get the token is on BYBIT. By downloading BYBIT from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or getting it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search LAI, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can also get this token off of a ton of other central exchanges, decentralized exchanges. It's a cross-chain token. For DEXs, you can get it off Uniswap, PancakeSwap. I'm sure there's more. For central exchanges, it says it's on BYBIT, Bit2Me, Gate, BitGet, LBANK, BingX, MEXC Global, I believe, COINEX Global as well. So if you don't have an MEXC Global or a COINEX Global account, I do have those referral codes down there in the description box. Those are two other places you can get this token just by going right through the MEXC Global or COINEX Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund it with USDT, search LAI, same steps. Now, according to CoinGecko, it says LayerAI has recently migrated from their old contract to a new one. For more information, please visit the Twitter post, and they have that listed on CoinGecko if you want to check that out, and it'll bring you over to a tweet on the Twitter in the corner of the screen there at LayerAI.org, and it says LayerAI token swap is live for on-chain holders. Swap the old token for a new token, open for 60 days, it says here. And this was an old tweet, so you most likely missed that. So I don't know why CoinGecko is saying this is a new migration. They should probably take that down because that's long over. Sometimes CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap are not very fast at updating things, but there's a lot of tokens listed on there. So I'll cut them a little slack. But anyways, they migrated in September, it looks like. So that's long over, obviously. This token's up 7.6% today. It's sitting at about 3.4 cents per token. Fully diluted valuation is $102.5 million. Their 24-hour trading volume today is $13.7 million. Max supply and total supply is 3 billion tokens, and circulating supply is 318 million tokens. So, needless to say, very popular project, listed all over the place. They have the blue verified check mark, over 500 tweets. And on that Twitter right there, which has over 213,000 followers, they have a link to their Telegram at LayerAI_org, and they have a link to their webpage, LayerAI.org. Their Telegram has 57,343 members as well. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more about the project and talk to people, that would be a great place here. So their webpage, LayerAI.org, has their mission on there, has tutorials. You can change the language, a document section, all sorts of different products. So their docs will take you over to docs.layerai.org. And it says LayerAI is the dedicated blockchain network for data monetization within AI models. LayerAI functions as a sophisticated ecosystem strategically crafted to expedite the rise of the data economy. It aims to do so through the utilization of cutting-edge advancements in both Web 2 and Web 3, along with the integration of the tokenized economic framework. The LayerAI ecosystem empowers individuals to set up and transform epoch where they can own, control, and capitalize on the most substantial digital asset data. At a glance, the components of the LayerAI ecosystem are the ZK Rollup Layer 2 blockchain network built with Polygon CDK, Layer VPN, a VPN built to function as a node, KCEX, a decentralized exchange and lending platform for AI projects, Layer Marketplace, the NFT marketplace to transact data capsule NFTs, LayerAI app, a data economy app to purchase, sell data capsule NFTs and collect rewards, and LayerAI ecosystem establishes data as an emerging asset class to contribute to a $1 trillion global data and AI economy. Now, they have the ZK Layer 2 network, so LayerAI builds its own zero-knowledge Layer 2 network on top of Ethereum using a low-cost, secure, safe, and private ZK rollup technology to turn data into a valuable asset. Now they have the Layer VPN, which is the native VPN solution that also functions as a data node, and that can be accessed through layervpn.com, so that has its own web page. And then they have the DeFi Hub, the marketplace. So within their economy, they have AI to earn, data capsule NFT, staking, and they have the DATUM token and the LAI token. So there's dual token economy. So the LAI token is the first of its kind multi-value gas token. It has necessary demand as fuel for network transactions. It is topped up with value funnels from validator staking, cash flow from core products, and power of fee treasury, which can be deployed for liquidity events like buybacks, burns, and or expanded yield. As the first of its kind multi-value native asset, LAI tokens have ecosystem value beyond gas. The tokens can be staked or held for a variety of powerful utilities. So it can provide discounts, liquidity, and network validation, and more. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about LayerAI? Do you think this is a good project or what? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out all the referral codes down there, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.